Yes, today the 21st coronation of the Olu of Warri. What do you have to say in regard to this beautiful occasion that is ongoing right now?
Today is a memorable day. Today is a great day. You can see that Warri Kingdom is happy. Everybody is happy. The old are happy. The women are happy. The men are happy. The children are happy. Even the children in the womb, they are happy. And we are all happy because this is a new day. We have a modern monarch and we are happy.
Your name?
I am Rachel Misa.
Thank you. A beautiful cultural display from the Warri Kingdom here in Warri and its environment, where different communities of the Shekiri land has come to celebrate this historic, and you can see the local different boats. Ode Shekiri, where the coronation activity will take place, and you can see the different boats at display entertaining dignitaries from across the world. And you are watching Baramatu Voice live here, where the activity is taking place, and the Shekiri Daughters and Wife Association. That is what you are seeing right away. Yes, mommy. Yes, today is historical, where we are experiencing a new dawn in the Warri Kingdom. The 21st Olu of Warri Kingdom to be coronated on the 21st day and to be coronated on 21st year. So tell us the significance of 21st, 21st, 21st. Yes. That is where we are heading to right now. Where we are going to short while to get to the community where the coronation activity will take place. And